Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Janjeric Acero, together with my classmate, my partner in this video.
I'm Christian D. Aguilar.
We're here to create reflection and reaction to conclusion about the films or movies that we choose that related to the acceleration. The first questions we need to answer this today is the number one is what aspects of acceleration were highlighted in the films. So our the movies that we choose is the Fast and Furious. The Fast and Furious film series often highlights exaggerated and dramatic portrayals of car acceleration, emphasizing factors like intense speed, rapid acceleration from a standstill, and high-stakes racing scenarios. These films frequently showcase impressive and unrealistic acceleration sequences, featuring various types of vehicles in thrilling and action-packed scenes. Keep in mind that the movies prioritize entertainment over strict adherence to real-world physics. The second question is, where the real-world application or examples of acceleration depicted my classmate will answer that.
Acceleration is central theme showcasing high-speed car chasing our races. Will these scenes and dramatized for entertainment do reflects real-world concept of acceleration and the capabilities of high-performance vehicles. The movies often feature exaggerated stunts and physics defying moments, but the underlying principle of showcasing acceleration in the context of fast car aligns with the real-world capabilities of certain high-performance automobiles.
The third question is, did the films accurately represent scientific principles related to acceleration? While the Fast and Furious films incorporate elements of real-world physics, they often take creative liberties for the sake of cinematic excitement and spectacle. The depiction of acceleration in the movies tends to be exaggerated and dramatized to enhance the entertainment value. The films prioritize thrilling visuals and actions sequences over strict adherence to scientific principle. Therefore, while there may be some representation of acceleration in the context of high-speed car scenes, it's important to approach these depictions with the understanding that they are cinematic interpretations rather than accurate scientific portrayals. The fourth question is, were there any scenes that spark your curiosity or raise questions about acceleration? The scenes involving extreme acceleration, the first one is the rapid gear changes and intricate maneuvers could lead viewers to wonder about the physics behind some. The scenes involving extreme acceleration is the rapid gear changes and intricate maneuvers could lead viewers to wonder about the physics behind such actions. However, it's crucial to recognize that the films prioritize entertainment and may not always adhere to the strict laws of physics. If you have Compare the portrayal of acceleration in the films with real-world scientific knowledge. Discuss any creative liberties taken and how they contribute to the storytelling. In the Fast and Furious films, acceleration is often portrayed in a highly dramatized manner to enhance the excitement and storytelling. Here are some comparison between the film's portrayal of acceleration and a real-world scientific knowledge. The example is exaggerated speed and maneuvers. Films often depict cars accelerating at unrealistically high speeds and performing gravity-defying maneuvers. Creative liberties are taken to exaggerate the capabilities of the vehicles, surpassing what is physically possible. So, this is the last one. Summarize the reflections highlighting the ways in which the films contributed to the understanding of acceleration. Consider how accurate representations in media can influence public perception of scientific concepts and the importance of balancing entertainment with scientific accuracy. While portraying acceleration in a highly dramatized manner contribute to public awareness of the concept, the exaggerated depictions of high-speed chases and maneuvers create stunning and exciting sequences that capture audiences' attention. However, it's essential to recognize that these portrayals take creative liberties deviating from real-world physics. Accurate representations in media can significantly influence public perception of scientific concepts. While the films may not adhere strictly to scientific accuracy, they spark interest and curiosity about acceleration, especially among audiences less familiar with the underlying principles. Balancing entertainment with scientific accuracy is crucial to avoid misconceptions and to foster a healthy understanding of our real-world physics. Thank you and God bless everyone.